How to generate 100 video ideas for your YouTube channel. My promise to you is to solve all three of these problems that new YouTubers have by the end of this video. Number one, you're not sure what videos to make. Number two, you're not sure how to find video ideas. Number three, you're not sure how to come up with engaging video ideas that actually get views. The golden rule to finding great video ideas. During these exercises, do not let yourself start judging the quality of your video ideas. The goal here is to generate raw materials knowing that 90% of your video ideas won't even make it to filming. But you need to engage the system to get crystal clear clarity on the right video ideas. We use this endless idea generator inside the YouTube Mastermind Premium community. So don't tell anyone I'm sharing this with you. But if you're interested in finding out more about how we can work together to grow your YouTube channel, I'll leave a link for you down below to book a discovery call with me so we can discuss how we can work together to grow your channel. Let's jump right into it. Let's find you some good video ideas. Step 1. Use your younger self to find your video topic ideas. Step 2. Add specificity to match your experience and your credibility. Step 3. Use the easy views framework and proven approaches to generate your video ideas. Step 4. Choose 6 video ideas for the rest of your videos for week 1 of the easy views challenge. Let's dive into step 1, the younger self system. Finding the general topics you want to make videos about starts with asking yourself one simple question. What are all the problems I've solved for myself and topics I've learned about in the last 3 to 5 years? You don't need to be an expert to make a video about something, but you do need to either have experience or have a story about how you overcame the problem or solved the problem for yourself. This will make it easier to use the proof, promise, plan hook framework that we're going to talk about later on in the challenge. Now, don't get me wrong, you don't have to be a guru to make YouTube videos. The truth is, people don't want to watch videos from the gurus. They prefer to learn from people that are genuinely themselves, just a few steps ahead of them on the same path so that they can actually relate to you. And once you realize this, it's a huge unlock for your channel. So let's get out a pen and paper and brain dump every problem and challenge that you've solved for yourself in the last 3 to 5 years. Now remember, no judging. There are no bad video ideas. Just write down everything that comes to mind. I do this exercise every week, and here is my list. Starting a YouTube channel, learning how to make videos, becoming confident talking to camera, learning how to make videos that get over 1 million views, starting my own business, learning how to register my own company, quitting my corporate job, selling digital courses online, making money on YouTube, building an online community, learning how to run live calls for my community, scaling my online business to run on autopilot, even when I'm on holiday. Now, these are just a few of my ideas, but I want you to keep going until you have written down 100 video ideas. And remember, one idea can help you come up with even more ideas. If we look at my second idea, how to make videos, I could break that up into 30 or 40 videos. There's how to film YouTube videos. There's how to edit YouTube videos, how to make custom thumbnails. There's how to light your YouTube videos, how to color grade your YouTube videos, how to record good audio for your YouTube videos, how to edit your voice so it sounds clear and clean for your YouTube videos. So you can see one idea can then turn into lots of baby ideas within that topic. Once you have 100 video ideas written down, we're going to start looking for connections to break up all of your videos into 3 to 5 pillars that you're going to use to make up your content pillars for your YouTube channel. These pillars should be the video ideas that you get most excited about. You should be able to hear your voice actually change when you start talking about these things. My 3 pillars that I'm most excited about are growing my YouTube channel, growing my online community, leveraging digital systems to make my online business run on autopilot. Now, with your 3 pillars in mind, the topics that you get most excited about making videos around, I want you to pick 30 of your 100 video ideas that make you the most excited. Once you have your 30 video ideas, we can move on to step 2 and start making them more specific for your audience. By making them more specific, your videos can become more unique because it's all about talking about your experience and your stories to match your viewer's dreams and desires. Remember, your viewer is your younger self, 2 or 3 steps behind you. So if you've achieved the dream outcome that your viewer wants, all you need to do is talk about your experience and the stories of your journey in achieving their dreams. Don't need to be a guru, but you do need to have solved some problems that you can talk about. So how do we make our video ideas more specific? Let's look at some examples. What about YouTube thumbnails? This is a very popular topic on YouTube with lots of thumbnail gurus out there. Now, I'm no YouTube thumbnail guru, but one of the problems that I solved at the start of my YouTube journey was figuring out how to get access to put thumbnails on my YouTube videos. To do this, I worked out I needed to verify my YouTube channel, which is a very frustrating process. That doesn't always work. Now, when I say verify a YouTube channel, most people think of that blue verified tick that all the famous people get. This is not what I'm talking about. If you've started a YouTube channel and you verified your channel, then you'll know what I'm talking about. What it entails is entering your mobile number and getting a PIN code sent to you by YouTube to verify that your channel is legit and you're a human being and you're going to abide by the YouTube community guidelines. If you do this and get it right, then you get access to upload custom thumbnails to your YouTube channel. So instead of making a video about custom thumbnails, I made a video about how to verify your YouTube account to enable custom thumbnails. And it did pretty well. 500,000 views. Well, is that good? What do you think? Would you be happy with 500,000 views? Can you see the difference? How the specificity allowed me to not be a guru, but to show how I solved a problem that was meaningful for a new YouTuber. Once I'd verified my YouTube account and enabled custom thumbnails, then I could start getting more views on my YouTube videos. I started to achieve what my dream customer wanted, and that made it a whole lot easier for them to look up to me, to see that I'd achieved what they wanted to achieve. Now, you can add specificity to your video ideas in a lot of different ways. You could add the year, you could add the age of the person you're talking to, you could speak about their career or their profession, you could speak about their background, you could call out their level of experience. Are they a complete beginner or are they an expert in their field? Could speak to their specific gender. There are so many different ways you can add specificity to your YouTube videos. Think about a couple of ideas and I want you to comment down below those ideas on how you can make your videos more specific. Step 3 is where we're going to start implementing the Easy Views framework to your YouTube video ideas. The different frameworks you can use are how-to videos, or how our videos, or how Alex Hormozi videos. Now, this borrowing authority from famous people in your niche works really, really well if you're feeling a little bit uneasy about the problems that you've solved or your experience. Next, you can use guide videos. These are tutorials or mini courses. Then there's the list, your 7 best, your 5 tips, your 3 hacks, your 5 keys. Then there's mistakes. You can have beginner mistakes. You can have mistakes holding you back. You can have mistakes stopping you. And one of my favorites is the lessons I learned, or the lessons from Alex Hormozi. This is another great example of borrowing authority from famous people in your niche, especially if you're feeling a little bit uneasy about what you're talking about. Now you can use the Easy Views framework together with your channel pillars to make your video ideas start flowing onto the page. Remember, no judging. Write down every idea you think of. Don't hold yourself back. Now we have a new problem: too many video ideas. It's a better problem than having nothing to make videos about. But don't let this new problem allow you to procrastinate on the creation of your videos. Publishing videos is all that matters right now on the challenge. The key is using step 4 to pick your next 6 video ideas for the rest of the week 1 of your Easy Views challenge. Once we have our 6 video ideas, we're going to pick the one we are most excited about, and that's the video that we're going to make for day 2 of the Easy Views challenge. Remember, this first week is all about not overthinking the process. We've come up with a whole lot of video ideas now. These are going to be so much better than the ideas you used to have for your YouTube videos. So we've made great strides towards improving the quality of your videos. But now, don't let procrastination win. We're going to choose our favorite video idea. We're going to make a video. We're going to film it, record it, publish it. Because remember, Done is better than perfect. Week 1 is all about building consistency and getting used to making and publishing videos on your YouTube channel. These videos might not be perfect or polished, but that's okay. All we're focusing on is building momentum, publishing our videos before we are ready. Done is better than perfect. Comment below if you agree. For those of you that have made it all the way to this point in the video, I have a special gift for you. I'm going to leave you a link down in the description, and you can download a special bonus for your endless video ideas. If you have any questions or queries, you can ask them inside the Easy Views community, or you can comment down below if you're unsure about your video ideas. Well done on making it to day 2. I cannot wait to see your videos shared inside the Easy Views community. Let's get filming and publishing your second YouTube video. Let's go.